Wanna know how to add any items to cart in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up your favorite web browser or just simply open up the Wish app. So the steps is same. So yeah, it's your choice. Now once you've done that, here you should be seeing this page products and items that is loaded up to you. Now adding to cart is pretty simple. You can just simply head towards this cart item right here and then set continue shopping, or you can just simply scroll down and add more items to cart. So make sure your items are not sold out and you are in a proper geographical location, or else your items should be listed as sold out just like this. So if it's not under add to wish list, it should be shown add to cart, and you can just simply add to cart just like that. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.